Hey guys, welcome back to Tech 702. Sorry, my voice is all jacked up, got laryngitis. But is crypto dead? I don't think so. Are we done with Doge? Should you sell? Whether you got diamond hands or paper hands, stick around and we'll figure this out. All right, guys, I'm gonna make this video as quick as I can, get to the point, all right? I've made a few crypto how-to videos in the past. You know, I stay my ass out of telling you what to buy, what to sell, etc. I just try to give you guys the tools that you need to do what you need to do. Now, if you're a millionaire, go ahead and turn this off because you got more money than me. This is for the average person. The dude that put $100, $1,000, $2,000 in this, and they're either currently losing their ass or they've done a bunch of dumb stuff in the meantime, and they're trying to figure out, should I just wash my hands of this whole thing or should we let this ride? That's what this video is about. Okay, moving on. First of all, shout out Roberto Blake for reminding me to make this video. It's July 15th and Dogecoin's in the toilet at about 18 cents. Now, if it had been 6 months ago, you would have been stoked on 18 cents, but now you're bummed out. Why is that? That's reason number one. We have unreasonable expectations right now, okay? Dogecoin is a meme coin. It's just like Shiba or anything else. You're basically gambling your money when it comes to stuff like this. Now, that doesn't mean there's not money to be made. If you do proper TA, you stay up with social media, the Reddit groups and stuff like that, you can sit there and snipe money and snipe profit. The problem is people get greedy. When it comes to stuff like meme coins, Doge, all you moon coin apes out there, etc., listen to me closely. What you need to do is be happy with a solid return. Everybody looking to go moon every time doesn't work. The economy doesn't support that in real life or in crypto. Crypto is not some messiah of a way to get rich for the average person. It still needs to be principles applied to it in order for you to win at that. What does that mean? How do people win in the stock market right now? I'm not talking about Bill Gates. I'm not talking about Warren Buffett. How do most normal people win in the stock market? I'll tell you how. They play strong fundamentals. They don't play for the moonshot. They use compound interest to win. They take their profits when it's there. Okay? So the same thing applies at Mooncoin. Same thing applies with Dogecoin. Same thing applies with Shiba and all this other stuff. All right, guys? If you see a place to pull 20%, 30% of your money, take it. Be happy. I don't care if you made $30 off 100, because the compound interest of doing the right thing and the smart thing every time and not being greedy is going to make you wealthy in the long run. It's the right mindset to have, whether it's real estate or anything else. Now, over here, we had Dogecoin go up to about 60 cents, right? I sold at 30 cents on the way up, and everybody's like, you're an idiot. Okay, I made a few $1,000s. Am I an idiot? I made thousands of dollars off of hundreds of dollars. Am I an idiot? You be the judge. I also sold at about 50 cents on the way down, okay? So now, on the backside, you saw what happened. When you try to guess the top or you try to guess the bottom, you're gonna lose in crypto. That goes for any coin. It's not about Dogecoin, it's not about Bitcoin. It's about being smart. Take your profits when they're there. So just briefly on investing and on indicators. First of all, who cares what Elon Musk says? Who cares what the creator of Shiba Coin says? Any of this stuff, everybody's got an opinion. And yes, people like Elon can move the market, but there's an old saying in the market, and that is, buy the rumor, sell the news. What that means is there's an expectation of something going up or down when an influencer makes a decision, makes a tweet, buys something, but that's already built into the market. I'll give you the perfect example. Who remembers when Elon Musk was on SNL? Right? We all thought it was going to go to the moon. I actually thought in that case, yeah, it's still going to go up. Guess what happened? It dropped 6% that night. 6%. Why? Because the buildup of Elon going on SNL already had it built up into the market. And this is why I preach technical analysis. Now, with some of these, crap coins, it's a little bit more difficult, right? It's more psychological. You got the apes on Reddit, you got, the Robinhood groups and everything else. You got to do what you got to do. But that's why I say it's not hard to make 20 or 30%. Take your money and get the hell out. What's the problem with taking $500, putting it into Dogecoin when this all started, turning $500 into $3,000? Yeah, it's not the moon, but it's $3,000. You could have bought $3,000 of Apple with dividends. You could have bought $3,000 of Tesla, stuff like that. So I just want you to broaden your horizons. If you want to be wealthy long-term And again, I'm an average dude. I've probably made tens of thousands of dollars off of crypto over the last 3, 4, 5 years. All right, I'm not a millionaire, but guess what? I've gotten tons of free stuff by buying crypto. I've been able to buy stocks that have made me a lot more money in the long run by doing the smart thing and not being greedy. Okay, so a quick note about protecting yourself. I'm not gonna go back into it again. Go back, pull up, I had like 3 or 4 crypto videos, how to, technical analysis, markets, exchanges to use. The reason I only use exchanges, I personally only use exchanges where I can set a stop limit. What that means is you're limiting your losses. So when you're playing something highly speculative like Dogecoin, right now it's at 18 cents, maybe you set it at 15 cents or 12 cents, right? What that means is if it craps out and goes to a penny, you still sold out as a profit. And you can always build that in. And most of the coins I play, even Bitcoin, I usually have an 8 to 12% stop limit. You should draw a line in the sand for what you're willing to lose. That way you never risk your full investment. But in a bull market, when things are going up 50, 100, 1,000%, you could still clip 20 to 30% fairly easy. On a downturn, yeah, you might lose 10% of your money, but guess what? You wait till it's in the gutter, you rebuy it again, and then you sell it out without being a dumb, greedy ape on the other side, and you keep stacking these 20 and 30% wins. As you build wealth, I don't care if you're in high school and you got 50 bucks, over years and years of doing the right thing and compounding that money, you're gonna have hundreds of thousands of dollars. You might have millions someday. You could flip it into real estate, more stable investments. The whole point of crypto for me, yeah, it's great, it's technology, it's cool, but guess what? Rich people still control the market. Whales still move the prices, all right? You don't have some crazy empowerment because we are the masses. Rich people still control it, so guess how you get to the next level? You play it safe. You still take insane returns. If anybody told you they can make you 20 or 30% in a year on the stock market, that had money in the stock market, a traditional investor, they would literally come over and bake you cookies, do whatever it took. I'm telling you, you can consistently do that with crypto if you look long term and stop looking for the quick gains. Stop being greedy, fam. Let's all get this money. Again, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you what to buy, when to buy. Do your research, do the technical analysis, stop the greed, buy smart, sell smart, and the cumulative effort will profit you.